Right now, I've got my finger on the trigger, and I'm ready to pull. I've got my finger on the trigger, and my sights aimed at you. There's no easy way to say this. There's no easy.
See that little dot? Put it right in the middle of that opening and make the top of this and the top of this with one eye closed, make them all the same in line.
Right. Okay,
Now
get
put
on
that
this
dot on
side.
him and shoot him. It's ready when you are. Good. Very good. You're good, you're good. You can keep going. Yep, you're getting him. It's fun, isn't it?
All right.
We'll shoot him.
You know, go for, try his head. See if you can get his head.
Go ahead.
Now focus on that little dot and
Try-
squeeze the
let's try
trigger
a
real
little-
slow and don't let that
aim a
dot
little
move.
bit
Don't
lower,
anticipate.
okay?
Just
I'd
nice
say
and slow,
probably
let it
about
surprise
where
you.
the AK is. All right.
Right in the mouth.
Ready.
Good shot.
So fire when ready? Or?
Yep. There you go. How was that?
Out the eye.
He's got a bit of a bigger mag.
Well, the thing about this one is suppressed.
It doesn't sound like you're firing.
That one, right there.
All right. So which one of these you want to do first? You want to do this one first? All right. You can go ahead and pull all the way.
Be right back. Just gonna take hold. One hand right up there.
You're still-
Very good. Put that with your feet.
Here we
Put
go.
your feet
Hey,
about shoulder
remember
width
to
apart.
ignore the front
Point
side,
at the target.
okay? You see, take that red dot,
Like this.
put it
side by
about
side. There
wherever
go.
you want to
Now I
put
want
it.
you to put this above your chest.
Okay, I'd say start at the
Right there.
midsection.
Bring your cheek down right here.
Pull it down. from
See that red
second
dot in
to
there?
time.
Yeah.
Everybody?
Now I'm gonna touch you real quick, okay?
Yeah.
Lean in.
Let me do
Just
something
like
real
that.
quick.
Now she's gonna go like this. Brrr. Not hard. She's not a big push to her.
There
So
you go.
lean into her and don't let her push you up.
Okay,
You ready?
I'm holding it right.
You're holding it right.
I'll put my finger on the trigger.
Are you ready? Go for it. Give me a couple rounds at a time. Give me about 3 to 5. Perfect. That was perfect. She loves it. Look at that. Go for it. Get him. Beautiful. Good shooting. Outstanding. How you like it?
Finished.
Want to do another one?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Of course I do.
I knew it. I could see it in your eyes.
I'm going to get the zombies.
All right, ma'am. Go for it again. Lean in a little bit and get them. Yeah, there you go. Lean in a little more.
Right, ready?
Perfect.
Your shoulder.
Oh, sorry.
There you go. Perfect. All right. Up.
That's it.
You handled that perfectly.
Fantastic.
Good job. Yep. Yeah, I love this gun. This is a great gun.
Wow.
This is called an MP5. MP5s.
Again,
Let's
right?
do it.
I love one of that.
Yeah, that was, she had great control.
Nice. How you like it?
Ouch.
Amazing.
Dot, you don't need this. Just put the dot on what you want to
Would
shoot.
you like to?
Are you good?
I got you.
Go for it, sir.
Got an airsoft.
Oh, you have an airsoft version of it?
Machine gun. This one's a rifle, so it's a rifle. Yeah. No. Your next one's a big one. I'm going to load it with 5 rounds. You have a total of 10, so you get to shoot it twice. I'll load the first round into the chamber. So the very first thing that you do is just pull the trigger. Get in stance, bang. When you pull the trigger, after you're done, pull this back hard, push it forward hard, shoot again. You'll do that 4 times. Okay? All right, dear. Go ahead and take hold and take aim. One hand's right in there. Very good. One hand on the pistol grip. Very good. Put it above your chest like I showed you and stand like I showed you the last time.
Like that.
Yeah, turn your leg straight like I showed you. Very good. Put it a little bit higher up into here. Let me see, right into There. Now lean forward a lot more into this gun, almost to the point where you're falling on your tippy toes. And when you're ready, give it a go. She's a real big kick to her.
Okay, I'm ready.
You ready? Go for it.
Yeah!
All right, cock it back. Cock it forward. Shoot him again. Lean into it.
Yes!
Go. Do it again. You got
Missed it.
Do it again.
That's some damage.
Oh,
Give it a
yeah.
new
Wait till you
mouth.
see. It's a lot more than you think. One more.
Watch your.
Get him.
Watch out.
Oh, you're a natural.
Shot him
Right,
in
you
the
ready?
mouth.
Yeah. Here we go.
All right,
We're gonna
guys.
do this.
Yeah.
I want to take it home.
Yeah.
Yeah!
Good job.
You noticed that?
Yeah.
It's wrecked, but I still want to take it home. That was great.
All right. Be back.
Let me reload you for a second. You got one more round left, okay, buddy?
Face.
Here you go. One more round.
Get your adrenaline going.
And that's it.
Yeah.
I got you. Don't worry about it.
What was that?
Big guys.
That was a beast.
Sam, what was that?
That's the comparison. See what he shot so far.
Yeah, there's more gunpowder in there.
That
See that? You're looking through this hole in the center. You want to take the top of this post and put it right in the middle.
All right, buddy.
Put the post on this on what you want to shoot. When you pull this trigger, not yet. Give me five.
Yeah, these
give me a
are
hard pull and
basically
give me
that's
5
what
rounds at a
tumbling
time.
down.
Da, 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 da.
When it comes out,
Da, 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 da. Keep doing that
doesn't
over and
have
over,
enough
5
power,
rounds at a time.
just tumbles through.
When I tap you on the
Hold
shoulder,
the
Richard,
entire
like this,
trigger. When it comes
pull the
out, it
trigger and
just
don't
starts.
let go.
Okay.
Now she's gonna push you, so push her back, okay?
More damage.
Ready when you are. Push her back.
He's taking a picture of
A little longer.
Isn't that right? It's gonna be you. Shooting down.
Was that a touch?
Almost. Not yet. One more.
Soul.
Sorry.
What did you want to shoot? Get some!
That's how you do it. Get her.
Go. It's loaded. 2 seconds.
Jesus.
I know. That's what I said too.
Well done.
So much for not so bad.
You got 2 more.
Oh, my shoulder.
Sam, don't hurt yourself.
I'm not sure.
Well, don't do it this time
Don't
if you're
do
not
it.
sure.
No, you got more.
Are you
good?
okay?
How's your shoulder?
Maybe your shoulder hit.
Good? You sure?
Are you want to stop?
You want to stop or you want to
Yeah,
go?
okay.
Yeah,
All right.
that's
you wanna
sensible,
stop?
Sam. That's sensible.
Yeah, that's a big gun, so we want to make sure you don't hurt yourself.
Yeah.
That's the wise choice, Sam.
Good job, buddy. Woo.
That's the monster.
Go ahead and load it for you, okay, buddy?
I feel it tighter.
We're gonna try semi-auto first, and we'll go full auto afterwards, okay?
That one's actually alright compared to the side. Yeah.
Oh, so
Shotgun's good.
smaller bullets.
Yeah, well.
No, you're not done yet.
Auto now, Sam. Ready for this?
It's time for the real deal.
You've got residue on your lip.
I know.
How was that?
Yeah.
That was amazing.
No. shooter.
There you go. Perfect. Now put your body directly behind it, okay?
Chicken wing it, back in.
Fire when you're ready. Firm pull. Go ahead.
Yeah.
Same thing.
It's crazy.
Wait, so we can set the side.
How much more is left?
Feeding and ejecting. There's about 5 left.
Sam, well done.
How was that?
Amazing.
Have fun?
Yep.
It's fantastic.
Yeah. Good job. It's a big gun, isn't it?
Yeah, it is.
Saved up his own money and bought the full auto package.
11.
Oh.
My son's
It'll
age.
be 12 in December.
Awesome.
Did he really?
Yeah.
Yeah.
All right, Sam. You ready, baby?
Yeah. He saved
Let's
it for
go.
about a year.
You got this.
To do the full auto.
Right here.
That's it.
You don't even have to worry about recoil, but